Okay.
Finally, we found you guys. Mom, where are you going? Mom and Dad's that way. Mom, Dad, Parker, we need you. We can't solve any of these. Oh my goodness. This is so hard to go through. I think we only have a little bit longer. Reach the end.
I said hi.
Oh, hi.
Come on, guys.
Oh.
Finally.
Okay.
Guys, we finally found the So you guys have been in here for hours.
Haven't shoes.
We're so glad that you guys are here with us now that we want you in the same predicament. Oh my god. Searching everywhere. We can't find the key. So there's a lock here. We walked in and we
What do you need?
we've been in here for hours. We searched everywhere. We can't find a key. So we're glad you guys are in here. Maybe you'll be able to find it because I've given up.
Maybe a fresh pair of eyes might look somewhere we just overlooked.
Yeah. And it looks like the hacker is filming us once again. He plugged it! Alright guys, let's go try and find that key so we can get out of here. Is it in that vent? Yeah. Alright, try checking that.
Hi guys, it's me, Madison Yardine. Today we're here again, and I'm done. I haven't made this video in a while. Now we're gonna go to my den, right? And I will wish you guys an early morning. Because I probably can't film tomorrow, but I can try. But I can try. It's just, I don't know if I'll be able to do it. So we're here in this video. Sorry I wasn't talking earlier. It's just because I was distracted. So don't mind me. It'll be fine. I'm fine. Okay. But we are here in this video having another great time, right, everybody? I guess so. We are still level 28. I have no idea why, but we just are. Let's go up here. That's how skin kind of gets boring after a while. So, you know. Hey, look. There's a game. I like how that just swings around. Look. It's like a huge loop. I don't like chocolate. This is my best bedroom ever. Let's go somewhere else. And let's just sing. Wow, I'm so sorry about that. Let's go to Igloo Peak. Because, you know, it's not bad. I love the beta version. It just makes things so much better for me. I mean, I know you get betas, but that's not all that I care about. I care about my friends mostly, but they're online friends. You never know what they could do in real life, right? Like, I don't know. Let's just go. So, we're down here. Oh, I forgot I didn't have to use the slide, but I'm going to. So, hey! Dragon. Yeah, pirate stuff. Arg, I guess. This is my BF's room over here. And this is mine. I just love mine. Because it's so big, it's got bigger space. Actually, it kind of does, but mine is so best. So, over we're gonna be doing more stuff. And where's the cat? Don't ask why I said that. Let's go to the Volcano Island. I haven't been there before. Not even once. I don't think. No, not really. So let's go. So this is taking a while, right? Let's step on the lava. I'm stepping on lava. Guys, don't mind me. I'm just looking for some food. Like a piece of bread, right? Like, who doesn't like bread? It's already been 5 minutes. Oh my god, I need pieces of bread. Oh, bread is so good. I think bread is good. What about you guys? I got sure. I love bread. I can become a bread. I want to be a bread. Let's become a bread together. Did you check out my intro? I'm sure you did, because I added it in the front of the video. This bread is delicious. I think I need to decorate it. I need to decorate it. Okay. If I'm not talking, that means I'm eating a piece of bread. This room is cool. I think there's lava pouring in this guy's mouth. Can you see it? Yeah. So. Alright.
So, who is the losing team? How many points do they have? 3. What do they have? 4. So that's the losing team, right?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the losing team.
That's a short.
3.
I think that's my best guess.
Is that it? 3. Wait, no.
Oh, I think you got right number. That's right now.
I'm not sure. I don't want to. We're done.
Alright, so that YouTube.
Bye.